Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel TechUp. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable translation in Telegram. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the Telegram app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, go ahead, launch the app, then sign in. Now on your screen at the bottom, you're gonna see options like contacts, chats, and settings. Tap on settings. Now from there, you're gonna have to select language. Tap on language, then there first two options you'll see is show translate button and translate entire chats. Go ahead and turn on slow translate button. And guys, that's it. That's how you enable translation in Telegram. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.